The Samsung 633L Convertible 5-in-1 Side-by-Side Refrigerator RS78CG8543SLHL is a versatile refrigerator that can be converted into 5 different modes including normal, extra fridge, vacation, seasonal and home alone. It has a large 633L capacity and features a twin cooling plus technology to keep food fresh for longer. Convertible 5-in-1 Smart Conversion. Using twin cooling technology you can switch between 5 modes. Simply convert your freezer into a fridge to store more fresh food. Switch the fridge or freezer off to save energy. Or use the freezer as a small fridge. Long-lasting and efficient compressor. Digital inverter compressor with 20-year warranty. Enjoy great energy efficiency, little noise and a long-lasting performance. The digital inverter compressor automatically adjusts its speed in response to cooling demand. So it is quiet, uses power efficiently and keeps working for long, backed up by a 20-year warranty on the compressor. A person is managing refrigerator remotely via smartphone and Wi-Fi. Control anywhere, Wi-Fi embedded. Monitor and control your refrigerator anytime anywhere. With the embedded Wi-Fi you can keep track of its status using the SmartThings app. You can easily control its rapid cooling modes, check the temperature, and get alerts if the door is left open. It will also detect and diagnose issues. Available on Android and iOS devices. A Wi-Fi connection is required. Do the SmartThings at home. SmartThings Home Care. Smart maintenance, easy upkeep. Take care of your refrigerator more easily. SmartThings Home Care provides real-time monitoring and alerts. You can check on its status including the condition of the water filter. It also automatically notifies you if parts need replacing or problems are detected and suggests a solution. SmartThings Cooking. SmartThings Cooking. Smart cooking, tasty food. Manage, prepare and buy food more effectively. SmartThings Cooking lets you create a list of the food in your refrigerator and manage expiry dates so you can check what you have anytime anywhere. It also recommends personalized recipes based on your preferences and existing ingredients. Available on Android and iOS devices. A Wi-Fi connection and a Samsung account are required. You can check the energy usage in SmartThings Energy. SmartThings Energy. Efficient energy use, smart savings. Manage your energy usage to reduce your carbon footprint and save money. SmartThings Energy provides energy efficiency tips. It also monitors the energy consumption of appliances in real time and compares it to the previous month. And it alerts you if your monthly targets might be exceeded. Available on Android and iOS devices. A Wi-Fi connection and a Samsung account are required. SmartThings Energy currently works with around 40 Samsung home appliances that are SmartThings enabled. You can check the filter usage and replacement cycle of refrigerator in SmartThings Home Care. SmartThings Home Care. Smart maintenance, easy upkeep. Take care of your refrigerator more easily. SmartThings Home Care provides real-time monitoring and alerts. You can check on its status, including the condition of the water filter. It also automatically notifies you if parts need replacing or problems are detected, and suggests a solution. Non-plumbing I&W dispenser. Detail indicator FTD16_ interactive multi-feature product detail indicator. Install anywhere. Non-plumbing I&W dispenser. Install the refrigerator anywhere without time-consuming. Indoor ice maker. More ice, more space. Indoor ice maker. Create more space to store more food, but still have enough ice with an indoor ice maker. As it's built into the door, it gives you extra storage by freeing up freezer shelf space, but can make and store plenty of ice. And its transparent plastic cover means you can easily see how much is left.